Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to show you one problem which I think most of the people encounter with, especially beginners. The thing is, I have a player here and this is my VR game actually. I made a simple prototype environment. But anyway, we have a one bear here. So when we get closer to bear, it attacks us, right? The thing is, when it attacks to the player, it attaches literally to the player. I mean, it gets inside and it looks very bad. We don't want to do that. So let me show you exactly what I mean by playing the game. So it's a VR game, so it won't be very easy to show you the view from a VR headset. So that's why instead I'm just gonna drag our bear close to the player. So it screams and it attacks, right? It's coming, and there's a little bug in here. You see, it literally gets inside of the player, so it looks very bad. And actually, I found a very simple solution for that when I thought about it, like how can I just fix this problem? And it's actually very easy. And if you actually go to the script, so we have a speed variable in here to bear to move. And we can actually set the speed variable to 0 when it gets too close to the player. So if the distance between player and bear is less than 4, I can just set the speed to the 0. Let's go back to Unity after save the script. So let's drag bear again close to player. Alright, it screams and it attacks. Alright. Okay, you see, it doesn't get inside of the player now. It attacks from a far distance. And if you look at from a player view, we can see the bear is attacking us. I know the game doesn't look perfect. There are some animations problem and etc. A bear is a little bit too high, but that's not the point of the video. So anyway, that's a very simple solution for a bear to chase player. And if you want to look at the code, I created a distance variable here to measure distance between a player and a bear, which is transform position. And then a bear looks at the player at the beginning of the game. Maybe I'm gonna change that later, but I don't know. And I'm just measuring here if the distance between player and bear is less than 16 and more than 4, then we are playing the roar sounds, we are deactivating the idle animation, and we are triggering buff animation. And we are calling a chase player function in here. And then if the distance is less than 4, we just set the speed to 0. We call attack player animation. And if you look at the attack player method, we're deactivating the idle animation and also run forward. We're only triggering attack 5, which this animation already saw inside of the gameplay. Yes, that's end of our video, guys. If you liked the video, just press the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Face in your face.